Hi, my name is Adam Havrola, and I would like to welcome you back to the Design Studio. This month is August. We are doing a back to school arrangement for the perfect teacher in your life. It is August 1st. We are back to school month. So teachers, in my opinion, are the most underpaid and under-respected people in the world. So I think by sending a beautiful display to your teacher on the very first day sets a tone and makes them feel appreciated for what they're going to do for your child for the rest of the year. So let's make them an arrangement. We have the bouquet I already separated. We love to do that before we design. The colors are very reminiscent of summer/autumn because we are right at that window of changing over. Like summer's coming to an end, autumn's about to approach. And I know SoCal, your seasons are pretty much beautiful all year round, but I am Chicago based, so I can see the seasons changing. So we're gonna do that with you as well. First thing we're gonna start with is our beautiful painted Eryngium. And we're just gonna put that right into the vase. If something's underwater, pop that off. And go around the vase like so. That's broken. And this will create a grid for the flowers that we're gonna put in. So it'll hold the flowers in place for us. Next, let's put our sunflowers in. Look how beautiful. Sunflowers are such a gorgeous, non-seasonal item nowadays. Across from each other, I want to carry that yellow and balance it out, so let's put our gorgeous Solidago on the other side. And this is something that I think would be great if your child even helped you with for the teacher. We have our yellow pomps. These little guys we're not going to use because they'll get in the water and we don't want that. So let's just pop these right into the center. And I am just using a small cylinder vase. You could use a cube vase. You could even use a thermos, a water holder, anything that you think the teacher may enjoy afterwards. Like I envision her using this for candy or something for the kids. It's purposeful. Now we're going to put our Alstroemeria in. Let's put that just above. And you can see the Alstroemeria, the yellow pulls out, right? It's all about combining the colors, making them flow. And our Gerbera daisies. They come with the straws to help the neck from not falling. So that's why I hold them up. In a design like this, I don't like to leave the straws on because I don't really like the way this looks in the water. So let's just pop those right off. Put those in. It gives us that shot of color, that real beautiful pop of orange. We have them all around. Don't be afraid to recut. Now we have our two-tone mini carnations. A little bit of a hint for you. When you cut them, before you put them in the water at this stage, put it there and see if it's going to line up to where you want it in the water. And then it'll perfectly fit into the space you want. So just a little trick of the trade. Again, put it there, put it in. This color is one of those transition colors I was saying, like it brings you from summer to autumn, because it still has a little bit of that lavender with some of the yellow, creamy yellow. And now our Pittosporum. Cut it down into pieces that are manageable. Otherwise, what you're gonna do is you only want this piece and you're gonna throw this away, and there's really no reason to do that. So cut it down, and then this you can just feed through. Look at that gorgeous green. It's so fresh, and it just adds so much to this design. We're gonna put this around. I think anytime we can tell our teachers that we appreciate them and their sacrifices is a good thing. We all know through COVID and in our times, they go through a lot. So let's appreciate them every chance we get. So this is our back to school teacher arrangement, but we're not gonna just leave it as that, because you know me, and that's not what we do in these videos. So let me just clean up my mess a little bit. I thought about what teachers need in the classroom. Every teacher could use a Tupperware, Rubbermaid. I know I said Tupperware, I'm like so old. Tupperware is from like the 70s, sorry. Like Rubbermaid or whatever you have that they can store something in. Put your arrangement to one side. Put the lid in like that, it gives you a nice backdrop. Then Elmer's glue, depending on the school age, I suppose. Some pencils, nothing says teacher like pencils. And of course, apples, that's like our teacher thing, we all know it. Throw a couple of apples in there. Your child can give this to them on the very first day, and it'll make the teacher feel so special and so appreciated. Enjoy. I'm sure you're going to enjoy some of the time the kids are going back to school. Now you have your time, so everybody's going to enjoy this time of year. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope to see you next month. Remember, like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.